Hello friends, welcome once again to Rick's Garage. I just came from Harbor Freight and I'm unboxing my new earthquake impact wrench. I bought it today because my old impact wrench didn't seem to be doing the job for me. So I was hoping this would work a little bit better. Alrighty, there's the piece of tape right there. Seems to open up easy enough. Comes with some oil. Maybe that's why my old one ain't working so well anymore. I don't oil it enough. And it's wrapped up in, I'll need some wire cutters to get it out. There we go. Oh, it looks quite impressive. Now, like my old one, it has 3 power settings, which is kind of nice. Forward and reverse buttons, so it's constructed pretty much the same as my old one, as far as the controls go. So we have to get this thing out of there and put an air fitting on it. Did not come with an air fitting, which I did not expect it to. There we go. I've got my old impact wrench on full setting. And we're going to try this wheel again. I know it won't work because it didn't work before, but sorry, I'm shaking the camera. Alright, so I'm having no success whatsoever. Okay, so now we're going to try the earthquake from Harbor Freight, see if it does any better. Yes, it did. Did indeed work better. So you can make up your own mind whether you want to shell out the $130 for this Harbor Freight earthquake impact wrench, or whether you want to go with the Husky impact wrench. That one goes for about $70. Now the Husky impact wrench is rated at 800 foot-pounds. This one's rated at almost 1200 foot-pounds. It is more powerful and it did do the job that the Husky could not do. So I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Rick's Garage.